So, Griffins Reach Tradepost. I just went in there and delivered the contract scrap metal I got for free. You'll see that there is a player here who actually is a trainer. That is the trooper skill trainer. You need to talk to him and he will give you some missions so you can start his skill tree. I'm not going to do that right now. There is a contract board where as you progress in the game you'll find there are contracts available for you to do that appear at the trade posts. There is a trader here who you can talk to and you can both buy and sell things from. And in the corner here is the Thopter pilot who can fly you to other trade posts and also can fly you to Arakeen and Harko, which are off the Haga Basin map completely. So that is the content of the Griffins Reach Tradepost. This is located here in Haga Basin South. So we just started the game out. That is the edge of the map down here. There's a lot more up here which we have not seen yet, but this is Haga Basin. That's as far as I've got. I'm trying to get to this point, which is my first objective in the trials, and that's where my home base is. So all the trading stations have a similar layout. They look very similar in Haga Basin, and they have a similar range of people. They've always got a trader, they've always got a Thopter pilot. You usually have somebody you can talk to, and they have a contract board. So it may not be a trainer you can talk to, but there may be some other source of mission or some mission target in them. So this one is completely typical.